Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard, that I am providing a very crucial, very important civil justice sign-off for closure sign-off for myself in front of entire human kingdom and in front of 193 nations. And then you all aware, right, that the United States of America is handcuffed, it's at fault and found guilty in all crimes of Vatican, and mandated to be kneel down in front of all nations and in front of entire human kingdom. And according to the Holy Bible civil law guidelines only, I must get the civil justice. Okay. So for I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide. Republica prostitution PPP loans nations, never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of Republica prostitution PPP loans nations to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica prostitution PPP loans nation, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica prostitution PPP loans nations. The crime of PPP loans nation is Republica prostitution PPP loans, that is Paycheck Protection Program loans, created robocall poverty mandate, and its deadliest crime as of February 2020 when it comes under the classification of domestic violence, breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, and false imprisonment and trespass to land and types, trespass to chattels and types. So as of February 2021, civil justice sign off. I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off. USA prostitution PPP loans nations with fatal negligence, failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate by Vedapriya abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus dollars since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021 to I, Vedapriya Prose, and enforced finance disabled to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly. It is a crime for Republica prostitution PPP loans nations when ruling USA never educated. USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus dollars and sign off tax-free $5,000 and a direct deposit to my bank account. And USA Republica prostitution PPP loans nations must sign off tax-free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And thank you all for your time, my dear fellow mankind. Take care. Have a good day. Bye for now.